So let's imagine when you start the healing process, you're sort of stuck on this side of a pendulum that normally in health would hover in this center place and maybe swing back and forth a little bit. But when we're hurting, when we have a wound to heal, when our spirit is calling for a specific kind of transformation, we'll often start in this sort of place, like we're stuck on one end of the pendulum. So when someone is on a healing journey, in this example, it's regarding anger, they start to put pressure on the stuck position. And when we put pressure on something in order to get it unstuck, often what happens is it swings in the opposite direction with a certain amount of force. And what that feels like is then we can get stuck in the opposite place and find ourselves really struggling to find the middle ground. Swinging from one direction to the other on the healing journey is very common, and people can get a little bit discouraged by that. I want to really emphasize that it doesn't stop here. Just like an actual pendulum, let's say it got rusty on this side and got stuck here, when you finally dislodge it, it swings in the other direction, and then what starts to happen? It starts to swing slower and slower and slower, and then it settles. That's what the healing journey to me often looks like when I'm